Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was editing this video and realized I didn't do an intro. So this is the day that I'm posting the video, doing an intro for you guys because I forgot. Today's video we are reviewing the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. I've heard a lot about this foundation, that it's dewy and gorgeous, looks a lot like your skin. So I really wanted to test this out. So I do a full complete wear test for you guys, tell you all the facts about it. You know the jazz when it comes to reviews. So if you are excited about this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please subscribe if you want to keep watching videos. So here we go with the review. All right, so before we get started with the foundation, I'm just going to do two primers. This is the One Heck of a Blot mattifying primer. I use this all the time in my T-zone, so I don't feel like that's really gonna skew anything because I know I have an oily T-zone. Then I'm gonna be using the high adherence silicone primer from The Ordinary. I really like this primer. I need to go order more of it actually because I'm almost out. It kind of blurs everything a little bit. And I really like it. I put that on the perimeter of my face. So I ended up getting the Flower Beauty foundation from Walmart, which I thought they weren't in Walmart anymore because I couldn't find stuff on like Walmart's site for their BB cream. So maybe they're just discontinuing their BB cream. I don't know. But I ended up getting it at Walmart. So it was $12.98. On the Ulta site, it is $13.99. So like $1 more, which isn't that much. And it has 3.5 stars on Ulta's website with 48 reviews. I got mine in the shade Classic Tan M3 because as you can tell, I am self-tanned right now. This still might be a little bit dark for me, but they only had medium shades left in Walmart and I really wanted to review this. So I might end up having to order it on Ulta's site here in a little bit because I do have a 20% off coupon. So might as well take advantage of that. So it says that it is is the perfecting veil of buildable coverage. It is a breakthrough foundation that achieves the impossible, provides you with coverage you desire to smooth and perfect while imparting your skin with the most flattering, soft luminosity imaginable, all with a weightless, nude skin feel. Imperfections and uneven skin tone are diminished, only a flawless, smooth, and incredibly natural complexion is revealed. So I'm really excited about this. I have watched a few reviews on this product, but I'm excited to jump in. So that's basically all I have about the foundation. I think this is such a nice package. It is so like heavy feeling and high end, and I really, really like the packaging. It's just gorgeous. I'm just gonna do one pump on the palette here. And I have two tools to use. So this is the Sonia Kashuk sponge. I got a pack of 3 of these recently and I thought I would try them out. I have used this before and I do like it. And this is the e.l.f. like foundation brush. Their blend, I don't even remember what it's called. I'm gonna do a brush on this side and a sponge on this side, I think, right? Or no, brush on this side because usually brush gets more coverage and this is my problem side compared to this side, so I'm gonna use a sponge on this side. Go on in, here we go. So right off the bat, buffing it in, it's kind of more of a light coverage, but it looks like I can stamp it and it kind of builds, so that's a good sign. So the color's not that bad actually compared to my neck. I have a feeling I'm gonna need multiple pumps of this foundation because one pump is not gonna be enough, just heads up with that. Oh, and you do get 1 fluid ounce, by the way. All right, so that is one pump. There's like basically nothing left. There's a little bit of product that I could probably put. So I'm just going to leave it here. Actually, no, I'm gonna do another pump with the brush. One more pump. And then I'm just gonna go over areas that I need it. And look, it's building nicely. So the coverage is looking nice. It's looking very beautiful on the skin so far, which is awesome. The color is pretty good with my tan. It might be a little bit dark. I'm gonna have to definitely get a lighter shade if I like the foundation, because I'm not usually this tan all the time. It's like right when I self-tan. Say right now it's like high, medium, almost full coverage. Okay, now I'm going in with the sponge. I'm just gonna do one pump again and start going in. So far the coverage is pretty dang good with a sponge, which I'm kind of surprised about. I would say it's like a medium coverage with your sponge, but you could always go in with a brush and cover more. I like it with both, but I think the sponge side looks a lot more like really natural. It just like melds into the skin. Here's what it looks like with one layer. Looks pretty dang good. I really like how it's looking so far. It's definitely not full coverage, but it's like a good high medium coverage, which I think looks really nice. So it is tacky, so you're definitely gonna have to set this. Like, it will transfer if you don't set it. But other than that, I'm really liking it. Can you see, did that come off? That might have come off when I touched my face. I would definitely set this foundation. All right, so I'm gonna finish up my makeup and then I will come back, tell you my thoughts so far, and we are definitely going to do a check-in, so I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am back now and I am loving my makeup today. Like, loving it. And I don't know if that's the foundation or what, but I'm liking how my skin's looking and everything. I don't know. I'm feeling my makeup today. So I just wanted to tell you what I used over everything. I used my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer underneath my eyes, and then my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder over top of that. Then my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And then I used this Smashbox palette for the blushes in here. I love this palette. These blushes, and then I used like a few of these brown shades, and that was basically it on my eyes. I wanted a nice soft brown eye. And then I just picked this up when I picked up the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. This is the Hard Candy Cashmere Silk. Cashmere Silk lippy thing. I don't even know what it is. Demi Matte lip color. It looks pretty glossy to me, so I don't know, but it's a really nice color. It's in the shade Buttercream. They had gorgeous nudes, and I would probably go pick these up. I think they were like $5, and I think this looks so pretty on my lips right now. I'm kind of obsessed. And then the highlight that I'm wearing is Hard Candy as well. I saw this in store, and I was like, you know what? I might as well give it a shot. It comes with a brush, everything. So the only shade I would really use is this shade right here, because this one is like an iridescent pink, which I'm just not that into. And then this one's like a gold shade that I have on my face right now, and I'm loving it. And seriously, obsessed with this brush. It just hugs the cheekbone so nicely and might be my new like highlighting brush all the time. But I really like this palette just specifically for this shade. I think it's really gorgeous, and it doesn't really accentuate any texture or anything. It just glides on the skin, and it's gorgeous. So I just wanted to mention what I was wearing. So now back onto the foundation. So far I'm really liking it. It feels super lightweight on the skin. The coverage is nice. It just looks more natural on the skin, I feel like my skin looks very healthy and nice. I did set it with powder just because, like I said, I touched my face and it like kind of came off and stuff. So I set it, but only a little bit of Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. So this is kind of what it's looking like. You can see some shine on my chin, just like a nice glow, and kind of on my forehead still. And I didn't put any, I put just a tiny bit of highlighter right here. But other than that, there's nothing on my face, so I'm really happy. I will check back in with you guys in a little while. It is currently 9:40 right now, so I will be checking in throughout the day, and then at the end of the day to let you guys know how it wore. Hello, you guys. Welcome to me looking crazy. So I'm not feeling the best right now, and my makeup looks kind of weird on my lips area because I swatched like seven bold lipsticks twice because my footage was blurry the first time. So I had to do everything over again. But it is the 5 hour-ish, it's like the 5 hour mark. It is about 3 o'clock right now, and I just thought I would do a check-in real quick. Ignore like the mouth area because obviously I was swatching lipsticks for another video. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. It's about bold lip colors for the springtime, but I'm liking the foundation. I think it looks really nice. I am getting more dewy in this region. Nothing bad or anything, but I still have that glow to my skin. It is wearing off around my chin, but I think that's partially because of the swatching and everything. And like, I was kind of just like rubbing and stuff, and like, it was just, yeah, it was getting kind of bad. So I don't know if this is necessarily a long wear product because I was kind of leaning here, and I feel like it kind of wore off a little bit in this region. And my nose is a little shiny right now. Nothing bad or anything, but it's a little shiny. But that's like the 5 hour mark. I just wanted to check in, show you guys. Other than that, I think it looks really, really nice. All right, you guys, so it is currently 7 p.m. and I am back. Caleb and I went for a little bit over a 2-mile run, and it's not super hot outside, so I didn't like sweat a ton or anything, but I did, you know, go for a run and everything. And I still think the foundation looks really nice. It definitely wore down in these areas where I like touched my face. I like kind of tried to take a nap earlier, so I had my head on the pillow and stuff. So like this area of my foundation is kind of worn off, but it still looks pretty decent in my opinion. If I wasn't doing those things, I feel like it would look okay. And also if I set it better, I think it would look a lot better. I didn't really set it very much because I wanted to see the luminous qualities of it. I basically only set it a little bit with a tiny bit of Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder with the sponge and just kind of like pounced it over my face. So next time I might try it with like more of a long wearing powder type of thing. Like I would put more powder on so that it would really hold in place. But other than those things, I really love this foundation. I'm definitely going to continue to wear it. I might try and mix it in with other foundations such as my Catrice HD Liquid Foundation because that one is very What are you doing? Yeah, in a minute, once I'm done. Okay, where was I? I'm definitely going to continue wearing this foundation and trying different tips and tricks, and then I will update you guys in the description box later on. Or, you know, on my other social medias or favorites videos, things like that. I want to try and mix it with my Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation because I think that would be a great combo since this one is a little bit more luminous and really skin-like finish. I think that that one combined with the coverage and the staying power of it would be phenomenal. So I'm definitely going to try that out. I'm also going to try it with a couple different primers and a setting spray. I didn't use a setting spray. So I think it did really well, and I'm definitely going to use it because it looks so skin-like, and I really like that. So I would definitely pick this up. One thing I forgot to mention is it does have SPF 18 in it, so it does have a little bit of sun protection. But I feel like that's kind of pointless if it's 18. I mean, I know it does a little bit, but I think if it's not SPF 30 or higher, it's not going to do very much. So I really do like this foundation. I would highly suggest picking it up from Ulta. Maybe wait and see if they have like a 20% off or use their like $3 off 15 or whatever and get something else a little. I want to try their full coverage concealer. Let me know if you've tried that down below in the comments. And I think that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye.